Hello everyone, just wanted to do a little intro to this video that you're about to see on my homemade Lara Bars. I was out hiking and I grabbed a Lara Bar from my bag, and as I was walking down the trail I looked at the ingredients and thought to myself, hey, I could make these. And so I went out and bought some ingredients and blended them all up, mixed them all up, and lo and behold, it had my own kind of homemade Lara Bar. Not really, but it's kind of close. And it's very customizable, I guess maybe is the word. So what you're about to see in the video, if you don't like some of the things that are in there, you can easily substitute them for something else. The Lara Bar that I happened to be eating, I think, was basically cashews and dates. And so I started with that and then added some other ingredients to it. I don't know, there's something about making your own food. And I know that we kind of live in a society here. If you're watching this from overseas, it might be different, but you know, if you're living in classic America, we've kind of stopped making our own food, growing our own food, and kind of forgotten where it comes from. And I know that sounds silly, but I don't know. We have a garden at home. We were the first organic livestock farmers around here, first organic livestock dealers in the Northeast. So food is something that is very important to us. We don't do a lot of, you know, junk food and fast food and that sort of thing. And so I think, you know, if food is important to you, I think that should extend to your backpacking. I don't know, why eat good at home and then go and buy all sorts of packaged stuff for your backpacking meals? Now, I know you can buy really high quality backpacking stuff. I mean, Lara Bars, great company, great ingredients. But, you know, I think, hey, if you can make your own and customize it for exactly what you want, why not?